Banger, and as you can tell by today's title, your girl is giving you an updated furnished house tour. And right now I'm currently in my car, so as soon as I get in my house, I'll get started with the tour, so stay tuned. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Till next time.